All right, next I'm going to show you insert short answer. Okay, insert short answer. So right here, I want them to type in the answer. I'm just going to enlarge it. That's the amount of space I want to give them. If you click edit short answer, I can now enter the correct answer. So the correct answer is protein, but I would take protein or proteins. Okay. Now, I don't care about the case, so I do not want to check this. I can change the number of points, save the changes, really simple. Now, students are going to have to type the correct answer right there. Okay, I'll do it again. Short answer. Okay, lipid. I want them to know that another word for lipid is fat. Okay, or fats. Again, I don't care about the case. It's still 1 point. Save the changes. Okay, I just need to move this up a little so it lines up with the line better. There we go. All right, so that's really simply how you add short answer. And again, this is another self-checking. So short answer, drop down both self-checking.